Thank you very much. Again, it gives me immense pleasure to tell you the final secrets. I hope there's an enthusiasm now, at least in the crowd, because this is the most important thing which I want to announce. The price of OPPO F7 is 21,990 for 4GB, 64GB version. And we also have 6GB, 128GB, which will be priced at 26,990. Again, is one of the best price. The exciting news does not end there. Due to the overwhelming response from the customers, what we have received till now, for the first time in the history of OPPO product launches, we are going to do a flash sale for OPPO F7 for both online and offline for only one day of April. Please remember, only one day of April. That is on 2nd of April. You can buy both online and offline during flash sale period. The online sale will be exclusively with Flipkart. Offline sale will be in our 777 stores nationally. With this, our flash sale, our consumers will get access to limited phones and experience a lot of special gifts from the company. It may range from 5% cashback with ICICI Bank, around 1,200 rupees cashback in 12 months, and additional 120GB data of 4G with Jio. Plus, the first time, one-time free screen replacement within 1 year from our authorized service centers. Again, the first sale began from April 9th. We will share more information with you guys closer to that date. Hope you guys enjoy the latest selfie expert F7 and use AI-powered selfie to capture the real you. Right?
Yes, thank you very, very much. Could we have another huge round of applause for the OPPO F7, please? And remember, two very, very important dates, the 2nd of April and the 9th of April when we go retail. Now I'm going to invite our fantastic gentleman back on stage along with Rajiv. Please come up so that you can finally get to flaunt your favorite selfie expression, selfie face. Could we have the selfie stick? Thank you, my lady. Please join us on stage, Ashwan, Hardik, and Rohit. Yeah, you can keep this phone. All right, so we've got one selfie which you take this way. And because we've got the AI technology, I think we can be a part of this one.
Hi.
One with them.
Okay.
All right, so let's turn around and let's take a selfie. Everyone, come on, give us a smile. Thank you, everybody. Say what? Selfie picture? Okay, this side also. So one more selfie picture, please. One more selfie picture. Yeah? Yeah, so it's a picture of you taking a selfie. Bravo! Thank you very, very much. That selfie has truly come out perfectly. And thank you, everybody, for being a part of this beautiful journey this afternoon. It's truly going to get even more exciting because to our left and to our right, we've got two tunnels that take you to our experience zones. So please be a part of the experience zone. Enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Join us for lunch. Once again, a huge thank you to each one of you for being here. Thank you for trying out the F7, enjoying the experience, and being a part of this journey. Welcome aboard. And ladies and gentlemen, with that, my name is Kubra Seth. We thank you, and we see you yet again with yet another technology advancement from the house of OPPO. Till we take it again, good care of yourselves, and be good. Bye-bye. Thank you.